Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll continue with the exercise 2.5 question number 15. Okay, give possible expressions for the length and breadth of each of the following rectangles in which their areas are given. First one, area is equal to 25a square minus 35a plus 12. We have to find out length and breadth of the rectangle. Okay, so we have area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, L into B is the formula for area of rectangle. So we have length into breadth is equal to area given is 25a square minus 35a plus 12. We have to find out now length and breadth means factors of it. So let's start the factorization. First step is we have to multiply constant and coefficient of a square. That is, constant is 12, coefficient of a square is 25. 12 into 25 is 300. Now take the factors of 300. 300 factors are 2's are 2 1's are 2 5's are 0 0. Next again 2's are 2 7's are 14 10 remaining 2 5's are. Again 85 is not divisible by 2. Next 3. We have to write the factors in increasing order. Then only we will get all the factors. Okay. Next 3 2's are 6. 3 5's are. Then 25 is not divisible by 3. Next step is 5. It's not divisible by 4. So 5 5's are. 5 1's are. Now we have 300 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. Okay, 300 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. So we have area 25a square minus 35a plus 12. So we multiplied 25 and 12. We got 300. Guys, I'll explain slowly and point to point so that you can solve other examples relating to it. Okay. 25 into 12 is 300. We took factors of it. Now 25a square, by adding factors of this 300 we must have this coefficient of a, this middle term. Okay, in such a way we have to take the factors of it. So 2 3's are 6 6 3. Find out in these only. By practicing you will get easily. So 3 5's are 15 and 2 2's are 4. 4 5's are 20. So I multiplied these two and these 3. Okay, these 2 and these 3. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 5 is 20 and 5 into 3 is 15. 15 plus 20 is 35. Here we have plus sign, so we have to add the factors. So whenever we have minus here, we have to put minus 15a and minus 20a. So minus 15a minus 20a is minus 35a and minus 15 into minus 20 is plus 300. 25 into 12 is 300. So plus 12. Now make two parts, 25 and 25a square minus 15a and minus 20a plus 12. So common factors in these two are 5a. Here also we have 5 into 5. Here also we have 5 into 3 is 15. So 5 is common factor and a square here we have a. So a is also a common factor. So remaining is 5a minus 3 minus we have here 4 as a common factor. 4 into 5 is 20. 4 into 3 is 12. So 4 is common factor. Remaining terms are a. We have minus sign outside, so it becomes minus. Sorry, this is 5a. 4 into 5 is 20. 20a minus into minus plus. So 4 into 3, 12. Remaining factors are 5a minus 3. So in the whole equation we have again 5a minus 3 as common. Take it out. 5a minus 3. The remaining terms are 5a minus 4. 5a minus 4. These are the factors of 25a square minus 35a plus 12. So this is the length and breadth. If possible length and given is possible expressions for length and breadth. If length is 5a minus 3, so breadth becomes 5a minus 4. And if length is 5a minus 4, breadth becomes 5a minus 3. These two are the possible expressions are expressions for length and breadth are 5a minus 3 and 5a minus 4. These are the factors of this equation. Okay, and this is the solution. I'll explain once again. Area of rectangle is given. Area is 25a square minus 35a plus 12. We have to find out possible length and breadth, which means factors of this equation. So we have to factorize it. First step is multiply the constant and coefficient of a square. So 25 into 12 is 300. Factorize it. Factorize it in increasing order so that you will get all the factors of 300. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5 is equal to 300. So we have factors here. By adding the factors of 300, we have to get this middle term, means coefficient of a. We have to find out which one it is. So 2 into 2 into 5 means 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 5 is 20 and 5 into 3 is 15. 15 into 20 is 300 and 15 plus 20 is 35. As we have minus sign here, we have to put minus 15a minus 20a. So it is minus 35a. So it becomes 25a square minus 15a minus 20a plus 12. Make two parts of it. Okay. In this first part, we have 5a as a common factor. So remaining terms are 5a minus 3. 5 into 5 is 25a square minus 5 into 3 is 15a. So 5a is a common. In the same way, we have 4 as a common factor here. So take it out. The remaining terms are 5a minus 3. By considering this whole equation, again we have 5a minus 3, 5a minus 3 as a common. Take it out, 5a minus 3 and remaining terms are 5a minus 4. So we have two factors here, 5a minus 3 into 5a minus 4, L into B. So length, if length is 5a minus 3, so breadth becomes 5a minus 4. And if length is 5a minus 4, so breadth becomes 5a minus 3. So possible expressions for length and breadth are 5a minus 3 and 5a minus 4. These factors are the possible expressions for length and breadth. And this is the solution. In the same way, please try second one. Area is given, factorize it. The factors are the length and breadth of the rectangle. Okay. If you won't get, please comment me. I will solve. Guys, ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. See you in the next video. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of all my classes.